how many universe you can do.
Shri Bhishma Vacha Iti Matirupakalpata Vrittishna Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumi Sosukam Upakata Vachat Vihartum Prakritim Upayasi Yadbhava Pravaha Tribhuvana Kamanam Tamalavarnam Ravikaraghoravaram Tadane Vapuraloka Kulavritananjam Vijaya Sakirati Rastu Mianuvadya Yudi Turagarajo Vidumra Vishwak Vacha Lulita Samavaya Tasye Mamani Sita Sadai Vidam Ya Vachi Vilasat Kavachetu Krishna Atma Sapadi Saki Vacho Nimas Madhye Nijaya. I don't know this verse.
Okay, we'll do the revision, no worry. Okay, thank you so much. Samskriti, till now, can you read the translation also?
Yes, Mataji.
One way, okay.
Krishna Anjana Mataji.
Hare Krishna Brinda.
So sorry for joining late. After this Bhishma players class, I will talk with Janvi.
Okay.
Show my house that I made today.
Yes, no problem. Samskriti, yes.
Bhishmadev said, "Let me now invest my thinking, feeling, and willing, which were so long engaged in difficult subjects and occupational duties. In the all-powerful Lord Sri Krishna, he is always self-satisfied, but sometimes being the leader of the devotees, he enjoys transcendental pleasure by descending into the material world, although from him only the material world is created." Sri Krishna is the intimate friend of Arjuna. He has appeared on the earth in his transcendental body, which resembles the blush color of the Tamala tree. His body attracts everyone in 3 planetary systems, upper, middle, and lower. May his glittering yellow dress and his lotus face covered with paintings of sandalwood pulp be the object of my attraction, and may I not desire fruitive results. On the battlefield where Sri Krishna attended Arjuna out of friendship, the following hair of the Lord Krishna turned ashen due to the dust raised by the hoofs of the horses. And because of his labor, beads and sweat wetted his face. All their decorations intensified by the wounds dealt by my sharp arrows were enjoyed by him. Let my mind thus go unto Sri Krishna. In obedience to the command of his friend, Lord Sri Krishna entered the area of the battlefield of Kurukshetra between the soldiers of Arjuna and Duryodhana. And while there the soldiers of he shorted his lifespans on the opposite part by his merciful glance. This was done simply by his looking at the enemy. Let my mind be fixed upon that, Krishna.
So much, Samskriti.
Can
Yes.
Balavrinda say slokas?
Yes, yes, Valabrinda. You go, and Subhadra and Giridhari can go. Yes, Valabrinda.
Okay, let me start. Shri Bhishma Uvacha Iti Matirupakalpita Vitrishna Bhagavati Shasvata Pongave Vibhone Bhagavate Kvachet Vihadum Prakriti Upayusiyat Bhava Pravaha Tribhuvana Kamalam Tamanavanam Ravikara Gauravarambaram Dadane Vapuralakakula Vritananavyam Vijaya Sakera Dhirastume Navadya Yudhitira Garaja Vidumra Vishvat Vachalulita Samavarya Lankritasye Anusita Vidyamanam Kvachid Vilasa Kavache Sukrishna Sabhati Sakhi Vajo Visham Namante Balayo Balayo Radham Nivesha Sitapala Parayuraksha Sitavati Patasakirati Mamasto Yavasiha Pravasana Nirmika Raksha Natipata Mukasya Dosha Buddha Hare Krishna Mataji it's Deepak Charanarati Bala Paramasyatas Yamezo Swanigamahapaha Daridya Ratapata Ratasya Vitarano
What is that word, Mataji, after Dhritarata Charano?
Abhyayat.
Abhyayachalatu Hari
Nibahandu Bima
Gato
Gato Ri.
Katotariya.
Thank you, Mataji. I learned all the slokas today. Only before class I heard the audio and then I learned it.
Very nice, very nice. You did very nicely, Brinda.
Mataji, can I go?
Subhadra and Giridhari, they can go ahead.
Parikshit Mataji, can I go after Subhadra and Giridhari?
Yes, Parikshit. Yes, Subhadra, they were raising the hand since long time.
Shri Vishma Uvacha Iti Matir Upakalpita Bhitishna Bhagavati Sarvata Pungave Vibhumi Sasukam Upagati Kvachit Bihartum Vakitim
Yes, हमारा घर का
Advabhava Tribhuvana Kamanam Tamalavarnam Avikalavam Ane Vapuralokam Kulavidamabhajam Vijaya Shakirati Astume Nanavadya Yudi Tunaganaja Iduma Vishwak कचा ललिता संभवाय अलंकृतस्य मामो निश्चितस्य विविधमाना राचे विलासत् कचविष्टुकृष्टात्मा सपदि सखी वाचा निशाममध्ये निजाय बलय न पलय पवय बलय तां निवेश्य सितवती पर सैनिकानुरक्षणा हितपति पर्त सकेवती ममास्तु सविता पितना मुकान्नीक्षा सजानवदात् विमुक्षादशबुद्धया कुमतिम् अवत् आत्मा विदाययास् चरणावती मस्यतस्य मेस्तु। हरे कृष्ण माताजी।
Mataji, can Shubhadra go?
Yes, Subhadra.
Shri Bhishma Uvacha Iti Mati Rupa Kalpita Vriddishna Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vivumni Jashukamupagate Quachit Vihartum Prakitimupeyo Siryat Bhava Prabha. Next one, Mataji. Tribhuvana Kamanam Tama Lavarnam Ravikara Gauravaram Varam Dadane Vapu Alakakula Vritananabjam Vijaya Shakheratiras Tume Navadya Yudituragaraja Vidum Ravishwak Kachalolita Shamava Relang Kitasye Mamani Sita Sharir Vivityamanam Tvachivilashat Kavachestu Krishnayatma Shapati Shaki Vacha Nishamamade Nijaparayor Balayro Ratham Nivesha Sitavati Para Sanikayurakshna Ritavati Partha Shake Rati Mamastu Davaita Pritana Mukam Nireksha Swajanavadat Vimukshatoshya Buddhaya Kumati Maradatma Vidayayas Charanaratir Paramasyata Syamestu Swanigamamapahaya Mat Pratignam Itam Adhikartum Avaplutha Rathastha Dritarata Charana
Prano Avyayat
Abhyayat Chalatkur Harivahantum Abham
Katotariya Katotariya.
Gatotariya. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much. It was very nice. You all are doing very nice tune. Yes, Parikshit.
Shri Vishnu Vacha Iti Mati Rupakalpita Vitrishna Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumni Swasukhamupagate Kvachit Vihartam प्रकृतिमुपेयुषयद्भवा प्रवाहा त्रिभुवनकमनं तमलवर्णं रविकरगौरवराम्बरं ददाने वपुरलककुलावृताननाब्जं विजय सखेरतिरस्तु मे नवद्य युदितुरगरजो विदुम्ब्रविश्वक् कचलुलिताश्रमवार्यलं धृतास्ये मम निशितसरे विभिद्यमाना त्वचि विलसत्कवचेस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा सपदि सखिवचो निशम्य मध्ये निजपरयोर्बलयोरथं निवेश्य स्थितवति परसेनिकयुरक्ष्ण हृतवति पार्थ सखेरतिर्ममस्तु व्यवहितपृथनामुखं निरेक्ष स्वजनवदाद्विमुखस्य शभोद्या कुमतिमहरदात्मा वेद्ययाय चरणरति परमास्यता स्यमेस्तु स्वनिगममपहयामत्प्रतिज्ञं ऋतमधिकर्तुमवाप्लुतो रथस्ता धृतरथचरणोऽव्ययचलद्गुर् हरिरिवहं तुमिवं गतो तरीया.
Thank you so much. Now, who want to go next? Asra? Yes.
Mataji, can Mukunda go?
Yes, Mukunda. Yes, it's kids. Yeah, they are singing in different tune. It's up to you. If you know the tune, you can go also. Okay, but if you don't know, you can how we are learning. You can sing in that way.
Yes, Mataji. Shri Bhishma Uvacha इति मतिरुपकल्पितवितृष्णा भगवती सात्वतपुङ्गवे विभूम्नि स्वसुखम् उपगते क्वचिद्विहर्तुं प्रकृतिम् उपयोषि यद्भव प्रवाह त्रिभुवनगमनं तमालवर्णं त्रिभुवनगमनं तमालवर्णं रविकरगौरवराभरं दधाने वपुरलकाकुलवृत्तनानां सं विजय सखेरतिरस्तु मे नवत्य युधितुरगरजो विधूम्रविश्वक् क्वचललिताश्रमवार्यलङ्कृतास्य ममानिशीता शर्विभेद्यमाना त्वचि विलसत् कवचेस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा युधि सपदि सखीवाचो निशाम्य मध्ये निजपरायोर्बलयोरथं निवेश्य स्थितवती परसैनिकायोरक्षण हृतवती पार्थ सखेरतिर्ममस्तु व्यावाहितपृतना मुखं निरीक्ष्य स्वजनवधाद्विमुखस्य दोषबुद्ध्या कुमाति महाराज आत्मविद्यया चरणारतिः परमस्य तस्य मेस्तु सपदि स्वनिगमम् अपहाय मत्प्रतिज्ञं ऋतम् अधिकर्तुमवप्लुतरथस्थः धृतरथः चरणोऽभ्ययय चलद्गोर् हरेरेव हन्तुम् एवं गतो तर्या सपदि सखी वाचो.
You did the Sapadi Saki. This is the last one, Mukunda. Thank you. You did. Now, Asra, you want to try? Yeah. This one is 32.
Shri Vishwavacha
Discipline Barbas. One second. Yeah, Asra.
Iti Matirupakallpitavritishna Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumni Swasukhamupagate Kvachit Vihaitam Prakritimupayashi Yadbhava Bhavava. I have to go next. त्रिभुवनकमनं तमलबाणं रविकरगौरवरम्बरं ददाने कुलवृतनानं च विजय सखिरतिरष्टुमेन वद्या युधितुरागाराजो विदुम्रविश्व कचललिताश्रमवर्य अलङ्कृतस्य मम निशिता विविधामना त्वचि विलसत् कवचिस्तु कृष्णात्मा सपदि सखि वचो निशम्य मध्ये निज परयोर्बलयोरथं निवेश्य स्थितवती परसैनिकयोर्क्ष्णारितवती पार्थ सखेरतिर्मम ष्टु व्यवहितप्रतनमुखं निरीक्ष्य स्वजनवधाद्विमुखस्य दोषबुद्ध्या कुमतिमहारादात्मविद्यया चरणरते परमस्य तस्य मेस्तु स्वनिगममपयमतप्रतिजनं रथमधिकार्तुमवप्लुतोरतष्टः धृतरथचरणोऽभ्यय चलद्गोर् हरिरिवहन्तुमिवं गतो तरीया.
Thank you, Asra. Somebody raised the hand. I have to call. Janvi, you also have to do. Come. Yeah.
Can I go, Mataji?
Who is this?
Gayatri.
Gayatri. Yes, Gayatri. Yes.
Can I go, Mataji?
First, Gayatri will go and then somebody else. Okay?
My name's Deepak.
Yes, Deepak. After Gayatri and then you. Okay.
Shri Bhishmavacha iti materupakalpitavitishna Bhagavati satvada pungave vibhumne swasukam upagate kvachadvihartam prakriti mupeyasi yadbhava prabhava Tribhuvanakamanam tamalapurnam lapikarako. Mataji, I can't start my video.
What, Gayatri?
I can't start my video. It does this.
Okay, no problem. You just sing the this one. Can you say? Yeah.
कारवर्णं रविकारघोरवरं ददाने वपुरनाकाकुलवृत्तिनानाभ्यं विजया सखेरतिरस्तु मे नवद्या दुरदृजोविदं विश्वा आचारुलिता समवार्यालाघ्रदश्य मामानिशिताशयद्विपेद्यमाना वाचिरासास्तु कृष्ण आत्मा सपदि सखि वचो निसंयुमध्ये निजाभयोर्बलयोरतं निवेश्य स्थितावती पार्थसारिकायो रक्षणा एतावती पार्थसखेरतिर्भमास्तु विवाहितप्रथमामुखं निरीक्ष्य स्वजानवदाद्विमुक्तदोषबुद्ध्या कुमतिम् अहरात् आत्मा विद्ययाश्चरणारति परमस्य तस्य मेस्तु स्वनिगमम् अपहाय मत्प्रतिज्ञं ऋतम् अधिकर्तुम् अवप्लुटोरतस्तः धृतारथचरणोऽप्ययक्षलद्गोर् हरिरिव हन्तुम् इवं गतोत्तरीयः.
Thank you so much. Gayatri, can you read from verse number? I will say you can read the translation because some of the verse she read.
The sloka.
Yeah. Yes, sloka. Before that, Gayatri will read the translation. Okay, Gayatri, can you read the translation from 36?
Okay. When Arjuna was seemingly polluted by ignorance upon observing the soldiers and commanders before him on the battlefield, the Lord eradicated his ignorance by delivering transcendental knowledge. May his lotus feet always remain the object of my attraction.
Fulfilling. Next one also.
Fulfilling my vow and sacrificing his own promise, he got down from the chariot, took up its wheel, and ran towards me hurriedly, just as a lion goes to kill an elephant. He even dropped his outer garment on the way.
Thank you. Deepak, you can say sloka.
Okay. The sloka, how do we say it?
You know sloka, Deepak? You are not joining before classes, yes? Do you know the sloka?
Yes. Yes,
Yeah.
but I didn't do this sloka.
You didn't do? Okay. We'll do the all revision. That time you can repeat, okay? Yes, Janvi, you say the sloka.
Shri Vishnu Uvacha Itimati Kupakalpita Krishna Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vivani Vashukamopakati Kati Vihatum Pakatim Vihayati
Upayesi.
Baba
Prabhava. Slowly, a little bit. Tribhuvana Kamalam.
Tribhuvana Kamalam Tamalavarnam Rabikara Goram Baram Varam Datane Vapuralakam Kulavitananavjam Vijaya Sakerati Astume Anavadya Yudituragarajo Vidam Naveshwar Kajolalita Samava Alamrita Mama Nishita Sarahe Vividya Manavjan Twachi Vilasat Gabachestu Krishna Atma Sapadi Saki Vajo Nisamyamaja Nija Parayor Balayoratam Nivesya Estitati Paranjo Sainikayo Aksana Ritavati Pata Sakerati Mamastu Bevahita Pritana
मुखं
निरीक्ष
सोजनबाधापि मोक्षदोषबुद्धया कुमतिम् आहाराद आत्मविद्यया चरणरतिर्परमस्य तस्य मेस्तु सोनिगमम् अपहायमात्रतीक्ष्णम् प्रीतम् अधिकर्तुमवाप्लुतो रथस्थ धृतरथचरणो अव्ययात्सलाद्गुरिवहन्तुमिवं गतोत्तरीया. Thank you, Janavi. Anybody is there remaining who didn't get chance, who are joining regular? Who is this?
Sleepy. It's Deepak.
Manmay Krishna? Yes, Manmay
Deepak.
Krishna. Deepak? Yes, yes.
When I was sing them all because every word I did it was
Yes, Baba. Kabahan. Tribhavana. Kavanam. Kavanam. Varnam. Kavigaranam. Ravikara. Gaura. Varambaram. Dadane. Vapuranaka. Kulakritana. Nacham. Yes. Vijayasakhe. Ratir. Astume. Anavadya. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you, Manmay Krishna. You learn our next sloka also. It's very nice.
Mataji,
Yes,
Hare Krishna Mataji, can I go?
can Prahalad go?
yes, Pralad. Yes, Pralad, you can go.
Shri Bhishma Vacha Itimati Rupakalpita Bhagavati Satvata Pungave Vibhumi Svasukam Upagate Kvachid Vihartum. Tribhuvana Kamanam Tamalavarnam Savikara Gauravarambaram Dadane Vapuralaka Kulavritananajam Vijaya Sakhi Tatirastu Mena Vadhya Yudi Puragarajo Vidum Vishwa Kachalulita Samadaya Tasye Mama Nishita Sarai Vividyamana Tvachi Vilasa Kavachestu Krishna Atma Sapadi Sakivacha Nishamya Madhye Nija Parayora Balayora Tiniveshya Titavati Sainikaya Rakshana Hritavati Pratana Sakirati Mamastu Vyavahita Pratana Mukum Nirikshya Svajana Vatad Vimuksha Dosha Budya Kumati Maharada Pavidyayas Charanarati Paramasya Tasya Mestu Svanigmam Apayamat Pratignam Pritam Adikartum Avapluto Radastaha धृतराष्ट्रनोदयाचलद्गुर् हरिरिवाहन्तुं विवङ्गतोत्तरीयः.
Thank you so much, Prahlad. You did very nicely.
Mataji.
Yes, who is this? Deepak, yes, you know the sloka. If you know the sloka, you can recite the sloka.
I'm.
Do you know the sloka, Deepak?
No, I don't know this shloka. So can I repeat?
Yes, we will all together repeat, okay? Everyone, can you repeat? One time we do the revision. Is there anybody else who didn't get chance to learn this means recite the... Huh? Is there...
Karthik. Karthik is joining today.
Yes, anybody else? Do you want to recite the sloka? Who didn't? If you are already learning the sloka, you can recite. Otherwise, you can do the revision, okay? Okay, we'll do the revision now, okay? Who is this? What happened?
Mataji.
Yes?
We should not sleep in class, but I'm sleepy.
You are sleepy?
Not sleep in class.
Yes, you're not supposed to sleep, okay? If you are learning, you have to be very eager to learn, okay? And you should not disturb in the class also, okay? When Mataji asks you, and then only you have to say the answer, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, is there anybody else or two participants who want to?
Garima.
Yes, Garima want to do. Okay, Garima, you can try this.
Vacha iti mate rupakalpita vritishna bhagavati sattva pungave vibhumni saskamupagate kvachid vihartam prakrutamapesi bhavat privaham त्रिभुवनकमनं तमालवनं रविकरगौरवराम्बरं ददाने वपुरलकाकुलावृताननाजं विजयसखेरतरास्तु मे अनवद्यान् नयुदितरगरजो विधूम्रवेशः कचललिता श्रमवार्यलं तुतस्ये मम निशितशरीर विविद्यमान तचिविलसत् कवचे अस्तु कृष्ण आत्मा सप्तजी न सकीव च निशम्यमादे निज परयोर्बलयोरतं निवेश ऋतवती परसन क्षण ऋतवती के रतिर ममास्तु हो. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Garima. Yes, I will go and do the revision. Jahnavi, come. We'll do the revision. We'll do the regular hour which tune we are learning. If you want to learn in different tune, which is in the YouTube, you can also go later on when you learn all the word. It will be easy to learn the tune also. Okay. Okay. Sri Visma Vacha. Iti matirupakalpita vitrishna.
इति मतिरुपकल्पितवितृष्णा
Bhagavati Satvate Pungave Vibhumni.
भगवती सात्वतपुङ्गवे विभूम्नि
तो सुखम उपगते क्वाचित बिहर्तुम.
सुखम् उपगते क्वचिद् विहृतम्
प्रकृतिं उपयुषि यद्भव प्रवाह
प्रकृति उपेक्षि
त्रिभुवनकमलं तमालवर्णं करगौरवराम्बरं ददाने Vapuralakakulavritananabzam Vijaya Sakheratirasthu me anavadya
अस्तु मे नवाद्य
Ragarajo vidhumravishva
योदितुरग्रजो विधुम्रविश्वक्
What happened? Mataji got disturbed?
Sarair
मानसिता शरीर
Vividyamana
विद्यमाना
Vachi vilasat Kavachestu Krishnatma
कवचेस्तु कृष्णात्मा
Tapadi Sakhi Vacho
पदी सखी वचो
Nisamya Madhe
निशाम्यमाद्ये
Nija Parayor
निजापरायोर
Parayoratham Nivesya
परयोरथं निवेश्य
Isitavati Para
भवति परा
Sainikayo Raksana
सैनिकायो रक्षाना
Retavati Partha
प्रेतावती पार्थ
Sakheratirmamastu
सखेरतेर्ममास्तु
Vivahita Pritana
हिता प्रजना
Mukham Niriksha
निरीक्ष्य
Janavadhat
जानवधान्
Vimuksya Dosa Buddhaya
विमोक्षदोषबुद्धयः
Umatim Arhad Atma
मतिमारादात्मा
Vidyayas
विदाययास्
Saranarati
रति
Paramasya Tasya Mestu So Nigamam
परिगमम्
अपहाय मत्प्रतिज्ञाम्
अपहाय मत्प्रतिज्ञम्
गीतम् अधिकर्तुम्
प्रीतम् अधिकर्तुम् अवप्लुतोरथः
त्रितारतचरणो
चरणो
अव्ययाचलद्गुर्
चलद्गोर्
हरिरिव हन्तुम्
हरिरेव हन्तुम्
Ivam gato tariya. Okay, we'll go to the today's shloka. You can practice at home. We'll also practice in the class. You are learning so nicely. All the shloka kids are reciting. I hope you are learning without looking also. You can practice 1 2 time. You can get this shloka. Okay, it's not hard. If you practice 1 2 time at home, it's only 3 more, but 3 or 4. I don't know till now how many shloka we learn. It's only 10 shloka here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, today, after today, we have 3 more shloka, okay?
3 more sloka.
When we learn today, okay? We'll go to the word by word first, okay? Sita, Sar,
Riksha.
Bisika, arrows,
Vishika arrows.
Hata, owned by,
Owned by
Vishnu.
Bisirna, Damsa, scattered shield, Cheta, by wounds,
by wounds.
Pariplutaha, smeared with blood.
Smeared with blood.
Atataina, the great aggressor,
Tahina, the great aggressor.
make a little big, okay? Okay. Aggressor. May my prasavam in an angry mood.
in an angry mood.
Avisa Sara began to move on.
Sarah began to move on.
Mat badahartham, for the purpose of killing me.
Matvahartam, for the purpose of killing me.
So he Bhavatu may become
Two may become
may my
my
Bhagavan, the personality of Godhead,
Bhagavan, the personality of Godhead.
Gati destination,
Destination.
Mukunda, who our salvation.
Who awards salvation.
Salvation, yes. We'll go to the translation. May he, Lord Sri Krishna,
Lord Shri Krishna,
the personality of Godhead,
the personality of Godhead,
who awards salvation,
who awards salvation,
be my ultimate destination.
my ultimate destination.
On the battlefield,
On the battlefield,
he charged me
he charged me
as if angry because of the wounds
because the wounds
dealt by my sharp arrows.
dealt by my sharp arrows.
His shield was scattered
His shield was scattered,
and his body was smeared with
and his body was smeared with
blood due to the wounds.
blood due to the wounds.
Yes, we'll go little explanation. Prabhupada said here in the purport, Bhismadev actually hit by the arrows to Krishna, and then from Krishna's body the blood came. And then even though even though the blood was coming from his body, Krishna was still happy, because you know why? Bhisma
He
Dev,
wanted to kill Arjuna.
yeah, Bhisma Dev was a pure devotee, and before day Bhisma Dev was very angry because Duryodhana blamed him. When Kshatriya get blamed, they will surely they wanted to kill. Means he was very angry. Oh, you thought I was very much attached with your Pandavas? I'll gonna kill all the Pandavas today. And then he was very angry, and then he was fighting so badly. And Krishna knew that today he will gonna kill all the Pandavas, and then he was almost killing the Arjuna also. Yes, and then Krishna got down from the chariot, and then what happened? Got down from the chariot, and then he
Got a wheel.
yeah, and
And
he
then
Got the wheel of the chariot that he was on.
yes, and then he wanted to kill
Kill.
Bhisma, and Bhisma was surprised, because Krishna, in the beginning only, Krishna promised that he will not take any weapons in the battlefield, in the Mahabharata Yuddha, yes. But to save his devotee, he even broke his promise. And then Bhisma was astonished, and he was just looking at Krishna, and then he could not fight. But later on, he hurt by his arrow. That time, from Krishna's body, the blood was coming, but Krishna was still very happy. Krishna, like so many devotees, they please Krishna by fighting. Like Bhisma Dev is also one of them. Bhisma Dev, he already knew that Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead, but by the will of the Lord, he actually fought against with Lord. And he was fighting with in the side of the Duryodhana. That is the desire of Krishna. And by seeing this kind of activities, sometimes atheists and then people who don't believe in Krishna, they thought, oh, Krishna, why Bhisma, they builder. Oh, Krishna is ordinary person. From his body also blood came, and then even Bhisma could kill Arjuna. Okay, Bhisma could kill Krishna. To builder, the ordinary person who doesn't believe Krishna is the supreme personality of Godhead, Krishna sometimes do this kind of activities. His lila, his activities, janma, karma, samedibyan. Yes, Bhagavad Gita, this sloka you all are learning. Krishna's activities, Krishna's leelas, Krishna's birth, whatever he do, is a very transcendental, and it's very hard to understand from the ordinary point of view. That's why sometimes Krishna put this kind of situation, so other people they get bewildered by these activities. They thought Krishna is just a simple person. Even Bhisma could hurt him by his arrows. Yes, that's why here Bhisma Deva, while he's bed in the bed of arrow, he's remembering that kind of things. You know how I shoot arrow to Krishna, and then from Krishna's body, transcendental body, the blood was coming, and then he was seeing all kind of activities, that how he was reacting with Krishna, that way, that kind of things. Okay, we'll learn the story today. Sita Visika, which two now?
Sita Vishika.
Oh, you want to? I only told the others. Sita Visika Hato. Sita Visika Hato. Visirna Damsa. Sita Visika Hato. Visirna Damsa. Damsa means scattered shield. And then you see here, Sita means sarf, Visikha means arrows, okay? Sita Visikha Hato. Visirna Damsa. Chetaja, chetaja,
Chetaja Paripluta
Chetaja paripluta.
Chetaja Paripluta
Ata, 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 sorry. Ata taino me.
Atataino me
Ata taino me.
Atataino me
Chetaja paripluto.
Chetaja Paripluta
Ata taino me.
Atadaito me
Ata taino. Ata taino me.
Atataino me
Ita visikahato.
Sita Vishikato
Visirnadamsa.
Vishernadamsa
Chetaja paripluta.
Chetaja Paripluta
Ata taino me.
Atataino me
Sita visakahato.
Sita Vishikato
Visirnadamsa.
Vishernadamsa
Chetaja paripluto.
Chetaja Paripluta
Paripluta. Not sorry, not to. Paripluta.
Chetaja Paripluta
Atataino me.
Atataino me
Prasabam.
Prasabham
Prasabam.
Prasabham
Avisasara.
Avishamasara
Prasavam avisasara.
Prasabhamara
Prasavam avisasara.
Avisasara
Mataji, you did.
Yes. I'm muting. I'm scolding my daughters. They are just becoming so naughty and not hearing me. Prasavam avisasara. Prasavam avisasara.
Avisasara
Prasavam avisasara.
Prasabham Avisasara
Madhavadartham. Madhavadartham. Prasavam avisasara.
Avisasara
Madhavadartham.
Madhvadhatam
Madhavadartham. Madhavadartham. Prasavam avisasara. Madhavadartham.
Prasabham Avisasara Madhvadhartham
Sita Vishakahato.
Sita Vishikahato
Sita Vishikahato.
Sita Vishikahato
Visirnadamsa.
Vishernadamsa
Chetaja paripluta.
Chetaja Paripluta
Atataino me.
Atataino me
Prasavam visasara.
Prasabham Avisasara
Madhavadartham.
Madhvadhartham
Sa bhavatu.
सा
भवतु मे
भवतु मे
सा भवतु मे
भवतु मे भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्द भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्द
भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्द
भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्द
सा भवतु मे
भवतु मे
भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्द
भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्द
सीता विशिखहतु
विशिखतो
विशीर्णदंसा
विशीर्णदंसा
जाता च परिप्लुता
शता च परिप्लुता
ताइनो मे
आततायिनो मे
प्रसवमभिससार
ब्रह्मभिससार
पदार्थम् प्रसवमभिससार
प्रसवमभिससार
मत् पदार्थम् सा भवतु मे
भवतु मे
सा भवतु मे भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्द
भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्द
Anybody I want to try? I will send both tune today when I am sending the this one recording. I'll send both tune. Anybody whoever want to learn, they can learn.
Mataji, can Mukund go?
Yes, Mukunda. Yes.
Yes, Mataji. Sita Vishikahato Vishinadamsa Shata Japaripluta Tataino me Prasavamabhi Sasaramadvadartam Sabhavatu me Bhagavan Gatirmukunda.
Thank
Hare
you.
Krishna, Mataji.
Subhadra and Giridhari and then Gashidhar. Subhadra and Giridhari.
सीता विक्षाहता विष्णुदांसा
Khyataja. Khyataja paripluto.
परिप्लुता आततायानो मे प्रसवामं विशासर सभवतो मे भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्द.
Thank you so much. Yes, Garima.
Sita Vishikahato Vishinadamsah Shatajabari Blut Atata Inome Prasabham Abhisasara Madvatartam Sabhavatu me Bhagavan Gatir Mukundaha. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Garima.
Parikshit go.
Yes, Parikshit. Yes.
Sita Vishikahato Vishirnadamsta Krata Jatari Pluta Tata Inome Prasabhamavisasaramadvadhartam Sabhavatu me Bhagavan Mukunda. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much. I'll send both tune. Whoever want to learn, they can learn. They can learn any tune. Other sloka also, I'll send the another tune also. And if you want, Asra want to do. Okay.
शीतविशिखत विष्णुदंसा शतज परिप्लुतात्यतीनो मे वृषभमवेश शरमद्वदर्थं स भवतु मे भगवान् गतिर्मुकुन्द शीतविशिखत
Nadamsa
शतज परिप्लुतात्यतीनो मे आततायिनो मे प्रसवम अविसर जानवी studying मत स भवेतु मे भगवान गतिर्मुकुंद okay Prahlad, you can go ahead. Done video. Prahlad, you want to go next?
Yes, Mataji. Sita Vishika Hato Vishindamasa Kshata Japare Pluto Atantayana me Prasabamabasara Madvadatatam Sabhavatamo me Bhagavan Gati Mukunda.
Thank you. So send the recording, okay? You all can try. You can practice at home, and I'll send both tune. Whichever you want, who is learning old tune, that also fine. And then if somebody want to learn new tune, that also fine. I'll send both tunes, the other slokas also. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः.
Thank you,
Hare Krishna Mataji. Thank you, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.